and all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Mgeni wetu kutoka Kenya, karibu. Asante sana. And our guest and friend and colleague, Engineer John Barry, with whom we've been together for so many times. Good morning to you all. I want to begin by thanking the CEO of Uganda Electricity Generation Company for inviting me ever and whipping me to make sure that I not only honor the invitation in writing, but I also do so physically. This time when you invited me, I could not say no or yes. I didn't want to disappoint you, but it has been tricky. I was not sure that I was going to make it, but you kept on, checking on me, and I want to thank you so much because I have benefited. I've been benefiting from such fora, and even this morning I have benefited from the keynote address that has been given by Professor Henry Arinaitwe. Thank you so much. The challenges that you have mentioned, I was thinking about how I can stay behind and keep interacting, because some of those challenges that you have mentioned, government is working on them, like the challenge of unaffordable solar panels. We removed the taxes, solar panels, and those technologies that save energy that are imported are zero rated. There are no taxes. Even on the electric cars, if you want to buy an electric car, as I speak now, you bring it and you will not be taxed. So they end up being cheap. The challenge of identifying the sources of electricity, because in our determination, we anticipate to use about 52,481 megawatts by 2040 beyond. If we were to see the standard gauge railway operating, if we are to see an e-mobility system coming in where we shall be having electric motorcycles, electric cars and all that, agriculture, irrigation and value addition, all that will require about 52,481 megawatts. And your question as to what are the sources of this energy is very critical. We anticipate to get 24,000 megawatts from nuclear energy, and we have identified sites in Uganda which we are developing, and government is going to work on that road, because the drills that will be utilized in this nuclear energy development will require tarmacked roads, like we tarmacked roads in Bunyoro, because of the transportation of the big rigs that we are now using. So the people of Biende, if you have any in this room, you are going to see some roads tarmacked because of the development of this nuclear. And we want to begin with 1,000 megawatts. 1,000 megawatts by 2031 from nuclear. For wind, we are beginning from Karamoja. There is a company called Amea Power from UAE, which is developing 20 megawatts of solar energy at Madiokolo. We commissioned that plant on the 3rd of August 2023, and 2023, 2024, 2023, I think, 3rd of August. And it is the same company that is going to do wind energy in Karamoja. So we are moving on. We have worked with different people. There is a company that is going to do biogas from cow dung. I think they have an MOU with Uganda Dairy Corporation, Uganda Dairy Authority, I think, UDA. And our intention there is to make sure that we work with the cattle keepers to generate electricity from biogas, which will power their tanks for the transportation of the milk and also transportation of the cow dung itself, which is being collected. All that is doing innovation in and making sure that we provide a solution to a challenge.